Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VE gear knob. First, make sure your vehicle is securely parked and the handbrake is fully engaged for safety. You will want to have a small flathead screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool handy. These tools will help you carefully disengage the surrounding trim pieces without causing any damage. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Now, let's focus on the gear boot. Using your trim removal tool, gently pry up the chrome trim ring that surrounds the base of the gear boot. There are typically 4 clips holding it in place, one on each side. Once the trim is loose, carefully pull the entire boot assembly upwards to detach it from the center console. This exposes the base of the gear knob. With the boot detached, you will see the base of the gear knob connected to the shifter shaft. Look for a small retaining clip or pin, often made of metal, securing the knob. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry this clip open or push it out. Once the clip is disengaged, firmly grasp the gear knob and pull it straight upwards with a steady force to remove it from the shaft. Before installing a new gear knob, take a moment to inspect the shifter shaft for any debris or wear. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps we just covered. Align the new knob, push it down firmly, and re-engage the retaining clip. Then, reattach the gear boot and snap the chrome trim ring back into place. Ensure all components are securely fastened for safe operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.